I'm coming to you today from beautiful Seattle, Washington, where construction seems to be going on everywhere. It made me start to think that in today's fast paced construction environment, project managers can't be everywhere at once. But drone technology makes it feel like you are. According to Dodge Construction Network, 65% of contractors say that drones help reduce the number of in person site visits they need each week. With progress monitoring flights, a single drone can document your entire site in 15 minutes and upload visual updates to key stakeholders that same day. What this means is clearer communication, fewer schedule misalignments, and more proactive problem solving before issues snowball. Now, we're not just talking about photos. These are orthomosaic maps, 4K video walkthroughs, and even percent complete overlays. It's all about making smarter decisions with better visibility. Want to hear how leading GCs are scaling this across dozens of sites? DM me and let's set up a 15-minute call. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your network. Your support helps us grow and deliver even better content.